the promises you made vanished, then made me cry.
Hello my wonderful people, how you guys do? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Okay guys, I'm going to make plantain moi moi. That is my flour, my ripe plantain, my overripe plantain, my paprika, my onions, my fresh pepper, and my crayfish with my folio. So this is the 4-in-1 blender I'm going to use. So this 4-in-1 blender, I love it so much. That's why I go for it. So this is just the toner, but I'm not going to use this. So this is the mister. So I'm going to use this mister to mix the plantain flour and the ripe plantain. I'm sorry for that, the ripe plantain. So this is the plantain flour. So I'm just blending. I use this 4-in-1 blender, which is this small one, but it doesn't give me that smoothness that I want. That is why I go for my 7 Magic blender. So, and it blends the life of the plantain flour, you know. So this is my ripe plantain. I'm just going to cut it into smaller pieces so that I can blend it very well. It will give me that smoothness that I want, that I need, you know. So I'm just going to cut the ripe plantain and put them inside the blender. I had everything: the paprika, the onions, the crayfish, and my fresh pepper. So if you don't want to add everything together, you can just separate them. You blend your ripe plantain first, before you blend your paprika and your onions. So now I'm going to mix my plantain flour. So I'm just going to mix it. I add just a little water to it, then use my mixer to mix it very well so that it will smooth everything and mix everything very well. So I'm just going to mix it very well, and this mixer give me this mix that I want, and it mix this plantain flour very well. So now I'm going to turn everything inside my bowl so that I can add my plantain flour to it and mix them very well. That is why if you want to mix your plantain flour and your ripe plantain together, make sure you use mixer. If you want to use your hand, no problem. So that's what, but I go for mixer so that I will mix everything together. If anyone that is not blend, so that my mixer will blend everything very well. Now I had a little bit of salt, so you can still add salt. You test it. If the salt is okay for you, then you start your mixing. So I'm just going to mix everything. This mixer is wonderful, America wonder. So this mixer give me the smoothness that I want. If anything that let me say like a small seed inside, it will mix everything, it will blend them together. So that is why I go for the mixer. So I'm just going to add my pan oil, then use my mixer to mix it very well. And the mixer is wonderful. It gives me the smoothness that I want. So that is why I use my mixer. Please, if you want to mix it very well, you want to see the beautiful and the lovely result, please go for mixer. Go and use your mixer to use it to mix your plantain flour and your ripe plantain. Now I'm through. I'm just checking if there's any seed or maybe, you know. So that is why I bring it out. Now this is my folio, so I just wrap it, you know. I set it like this because I don't want to use nylon. That is why I go for this. So if you want me to show you how I made this folio, please drop it at the comment section below. I will show you guys. Please guys, if you are watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to Princess and Mom channel. We give you the best. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you have anything to say about the video, feel free and drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. And if you see this video helpful, like the video and share it. Thank you so much guys. See you guys in my next video. I'll leave you to watch it to the end. Bye.
Oh, I could live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. No, I say no, I won't let you go.